In this guide, I'll show you how to fix them. The application was unable to start correctly error message on your Windows computer. This is a fairly straightforward error to fix. Let's begin. First, click on the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Open it up. Once you're inside the Control Panel, make sure the View By option is set to Category. Then click on Programs and select Turn Windows Features On or Off. Inside this window, make sure that the top two options, both related to .NET Framework, are checked. If they're already ticked, you can simply close this window. But if either of them is unchecked, tick both boxes, click OK, and wait for Windows to install the necessary files. A prompt will appear. Choose the option that allows Windows Update to download the files for you. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once that's done, check if the error is resolved. If not, move on to the next step. Now open File Explorer, go to your C drive, and open the Windows folder. Scroll down and enter the System32 folder. Inside here, look for a file named zinput13do. It should be near the bottom. Once you find it, right-click and delete it. Next, go back one folder using the back arrow at the top. Scroll down again, and this time open the folder called syswow64. Inside the syswow64 folder, find the same file, xinput13.do, and delete it as well. After removing those two files, open your web browser and search for Download DirectX. Click on the top result, which should take you to the official Microsoft page. Scroll down and click the Download button for the DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer. Once downloaded, double-click the installer file to begin. Uncheck the option to install the Bing bar if you don't want it, then click Next and follow the prompts to install DirectX. Once that's complete, click Finish. Lastly, go to your Start menu again and open Settings. Scroll down and click on Windows Update. Then press Check for updates. If you see any pending updates, make sure to install them. After following all these steps, the error message should now be resolved. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching, and until next time.